Next we'll look into D flip-flop. Okay, so this is our code, this is our test bench, and this is the constraints file. So I'm creating a clock, naming it, giving the period and the waveform, and telling which port it is, then rise time, fall time, and then the delay constraints. Okay, then the delay constraints. Alright, so first thing we'll be needing to get inside the simulation folder. Right click, open in terminal. Okay. So you might be thinking that the name of this is SimVision, why ma'am was saying incisive. If you see here, it is clearly written as incisive. Okay, don't confuse yourselves. Okay, alright, so this is the case of our D flip-flop. It's still going. Okay, so functional simulation is done. We'll close this. Now work folder, right click, open in terminal. Set attr space lib search path space double dot slash library RTL HTL. Okay, then library space slow high vt dot lib. Okay, then next was read htl space dff.v, then elaborate. Okay, then report timing. Okay, so 217, then report area, then power. Okay, then we will ask to read the constraints file, that is dff.g. Then we'll go for synthesis. Alright, so now report. Alright, 1000. Done. So D flip-flop was designed and implemented. Okay.